I'm actually wondering if this might be bear tracks. They look very similar to the ones we saw in Romania. You can see it here. Yeah, I think it's very unlikely that I actually meet any animals at all, but the moose is probably the most dangerous one out here. Look at this. A reindeer. We don't have that many animals that can kill a reindeer here though. We have wolverines here as well. They could probably kill one. And then a pack of wolves or a bear, obviously. So yeah, that could be bear tracks. You see how big that is? And then there's another one up here. So if it is, then hopefully it's not near.